I'll guide you through activating your new Cash App card using the manual or QR code process, ensuring your new card is successfully activated so you can start using it immediately. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and tap the card icon. Select Activate Card to begin the secure official process. To activate using the QR code method, choose the QR code option, then grant camera permission. Now hold your device's camera over the QR code found on the card packaging. This is the fastest way to verify your identity and link your card. If scanning fails, select Activate manually. Enter the CVV number and the card expiration date to link the card to your account. To confirm your activation was successful, tap Next or Confirm, and the app will display a final message stating your card is live and ready for use. After activation, open your Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Privacy and Security. Tap on Change Cash PIN. You'll be prompted to set your PIN. Enter a 4-digit unique PIN, making sure it's something you can remember but hard for others to guess. Confirm the new PIN by entering it again to finalize the process. Now you can add your Cash Card to digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay for quick contactless phone payments and begin using your card's boost for instant discounts. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.